In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot CRM for beginners. Whether you're just getting started or transitioning from another platform, HubSpot CRM provides you with a robust set of tools to manage customer relationships effectively and efficiently. Let's dive into the process of setting up and exploring HubSpot CRM step by step. The first step is launching HubSpot CRM. You'll want to start by opening up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, simply type HubSpot CRM and hit enter. Among the results, you'll see HubSpot CRM software. Go ahead and click on the title to reach their official page. From there, locate the option to get started free. This allows you to explore HubSpot's offerings without any initial financial commitments, which is great if you're just trying to familiarize yourself with the platform. Once you've hit the Get Started Free button, you'll be prompted to either create a new account or log into an existing one if you already have a HubSpot account. After entering your credentials, you'll select the Continue with this user button. Following this, you'll choose which account you want to use. If you have multiple accounts, just select one and click on Continue with this account. Now that you're logged in, take some time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This is the central hub for managing leads and customers. On the main dashboard, you'll see various sections such as contacts, companies, deals, tasks, and reports. These sections are your home base for managing relationships, tracking activities, and keeping everything organized. Next, let's focus on contacts. Click on the Contacts tab. Here, you can import your existing contacts into HubSpot. You'll have the option to upload a CSV file with your contacts information or connect directly to your email service like Gmail or Outlook to sync your contacts automatically. Doing this ensures you'll have all your contacts in one place, making communication swift and effortless. After that, you'll add companies and deals. For every client or organization you're working with, you can create a company profile. This feature is particularly helpful for managing business-to-business relationships. Want to keep track of sales opportunities? Use the Deals section found under the Sales Pipeline to track potential business. HubSpot also offers powerful CRM tools. On the left side panel, you'll find features like email tracking, note-taking, task management, and even a meetings tool to sync your calendar. With these tools, your engagement with leads becomes more seamless and organized. For those who appreciate automation, HubSpot has got you covered. By utilizing features such as sequences in paid plans or workflows, you can automate follow-ups and tasks easily. Moreover, you can set reminders and task queues if you're using the free version. Diving into analytics, click on Reports to open dashboards. This section is fantastic for gaining insights into your operations. Evaluate metrics such as deals closed, emails sent, and conversion rates to inform your strategies moving forward. Lastly, don't forget to explore the app marketplace. Simply click on the HubSpot Marketplace to discover a variety of integrations that can further enhance your HubSpot CRM experience. By following these steps, you're well on your way to becoming proficient with HubSpot CRM. Remember, practice makes perfect, so use these tools regularly to fine-tune your workflow. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, and happy CRMing.